Hello, viewers. Hope you're doing well. And if not, you're learning something new from life, right? As you know, our topic from the title. So, are you tired of paying for TeamViewer or dealing with AnyDesk's annoying ads and permission issues? Obviously, those are headaches when you try to connect with someone's PC with their permission, but things never go right as they should. Today, I'm going to share a tool called RustDesk. It's an open source remote desktop software built by a community of contributors. And the interesting thing is the source code is available on GitHub. Let's not go into deep talk. Let me show you how it works. So first of all, you need to type RustDesk on Google and hit enter. You'll see rustdesk.com at the top if you search it through Google. Now on the website, simply click on the download button and it will redirect you to the GitHub page. Right now, it's available almost for every platform: Windows, Ubuntu, Mac, Android, Flatpak, iOS, and other formats. We are Windows users, so we have two options: EXE and MSI. I will always prefer MSI if you want a little bit of extra care. But for testing right now, I'm going with the .exe file since it's a portable version for RustDesk. By the way, we will cover EXE versus MSI in an upcoming video, since it's important to know which file is best, safe, and secure for your case. Anyways, once your setup is downloaded, simply double-click on it to launch it. No headache for installing and then uninstalling. Now the same thing, I'm going to install it on my laptop. So let's switch to my laptop screen. I just downloaded OBS to record this session on the laptop, by the way. Anyways, on the laptop, simply search for RustDesk, download the .exe, and once done, simply launch it. I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to launch it from here. Now while connecting, there are two different methods you need to know. The very first one is ID and password. If the user shares both with you, then you don't need their permission. Simply type the ID, then press on connect. Now, as you can see, it's asking for a password on my laptop since we are connecting the laptop with our main PC. But before typing the password, I want to show you my desktop screen too. As you can see, I receive a notification here that someone is trying to connect with my PC using RustDesk. Now, if I click on Accept and Elevate, it will allow the user to access my PC without a password. And if I do cancel, it will stop the user from connecting, and your RustDesk password will change automatically. Anyways, now let's get back to the laptop screen. Here, simply type the user password. By the way, the password and ID are automatically generated when you launch RustDesk. Each PC contains its own ID and password. Once you type it, it will connect you with your client's PC without their permission, but only when you know the password as well. Now it's too smooth compared to TeamViewer or AnyDesk. In the video, it might not look smooth because of my laptop, since my laptop doesn't have any external GPU. And while recording this video in 1080p, which is higher than my actual laptop resolution, plus recorded at 60 frames per second, it makes the video much stuttery. But it's only the video, not the actual process. All right, first of all, the monitor icon. As I told you earlier, my PC has a higher resolution than my laptop, so when I move the mouse, it shows only the mouse area. But when we put it into scale adaptive, it fits the resolution inside the RustDesk canvas, which looks more comfortable. Also, you can adjust image quality, codec, and resolution according to your use case. There are a few extra options available, such as enable file copy and paste, disable clipboard, lock after session end, and privacy mode. Now, here's the question. Austin, aren't these premium features in other tools? Look, if we talk about AnyViewer or AnyDesk, they provide most of these features in premium plans, if I'm not wrong. Since I didn't use those tools for a long time ago, last time when we were working on AnyDesk, I remember we were stuck on an issue which I'll cover later as a tutorial. I will pin that solving method in the description if you're interested in that. For now, the second thing is monitors. Yes, at a time, you can see both monitors or switch between monitors easily without any headache from the top. Another thing which makes this tool stand out is transferring files very fast. If we click on the File Transfer button and choose Transfer, it will open a RustDesk Explorer. One side is yours and the other side is the client's. You can easily select your file and click on the Send button to transfer the file without any extra permission, vice versa. Wait, here's what you're thinking. Austin, does the other person need to accept the file first? Nope, that's the beauty of it. Once you're connected with the password, file transfers happen directly without annoying pop ups on their side. Super smooth. You can also open the chat, terminal, or calling while using this tool. But not only that, you can record the session while working on the client PC, which makes it even more productive. And pretty much that's it. Hopefully you'll show love on this video since it's a useful tool which is currently available on the RustDesk website and their GitHub page. Good luck, and I will see you in the next video.